small town magic, like red dirt flying behind those tires of that old two-tone truck. Hand it down, wheels in the world go round and round. These streets might settle, but baby, you and me won't. No, we won't. We'll be blue jean, dirty boots, kicking it up all the way down the road till the wheels turn to rust and the lights don't buzz. Yeah, we'll still be us till the ashes turn to ashes and dust turns to dust. We'll be us. Oh, we'll be us. Oh, yeah. We got a Springsteen highway, born on the run with hearts like the wind. If it all flips up and goes sideways, yeah, we'll still be what we've always been till these wheels turn to rust and the lights don't buzz. Yeah, we'll still be us till the ashes turn to ashes and dust turns to dust. When the song's been sung and the Cumberland River don't run, yeah, we'll still be us till the ashes turn to ashes and dust turn to dust. We'll be us. Oh, we'll be us. Oh, streets might settle, but baby, you and me won't. No, we won't. No, we won't. We'll be blue jean, dirty boots, kicking it up all the way down the road till the wheels turn to rust and the lights don't buzz. Yeah, we'll still be us till the ashes turn to ashes and dust turns to dust. When the song's been sung and the Cumberland River don't run, yeah, we'll still be us till the ashes turn to ashes and dust turns to dust. We'll be us. Oh, we'll be us. Oh,
Let's learn Blue Jean Dust. It's choreographed by myself, Michelle Wright. It is a 32 count, 4-wall beginner level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. I'll also talk about any alternative steps that you can put in there to make the dance a little bit harder to work for your entire class. After that, we're going to face the front wall. We're going to go all the way through with steps and counts before going around and doing a full rotation or 4 walls of the dance so that you can dance this in a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Blue Jean Dust. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do a weave starting with a cross over to the right. So we're going to cross our right over, left side, right behind, and you're going to point your left toe to the left side. As you do this, it's okay to open your hips slightly off-centered so you're not directly facing the front wall, but you're kind of opening your hips up. From here, we're going to do a weave starting with our left crossing over. So we're going to cross left over right, right side, left behind, point right toe to right side, opening your hips up towards the left. So let's try that with some counts. Weights on that left foot. We're crossing our right over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2. We're going to cross our right over our left. We're going to make a quarter turn over the right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot. You're now at 3 o'clock. And we're going to do a right shuffle back, shuffling back, right together, left, right, back. We're going to take our left foot, we're going to rock it back, recover onto your right foot, and you're going to do a left shuffle forward, left together, left. So let's try that part with some counts, and then I'll show you the alternative steps for that section. We're crossing over. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now, if you have a mixed array of dancers in your class and you would like to add a turning option, when you do that cross quarter back If you would like to make it a half shuffle, half pivot over your right shoulder, you can. So you would make that half turn over your right shoulder, making a quarter turn, stepping right side, left together, quarter turn, stepping forward with your right foot. You're going to step forward with the left. You're going to make a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot, and then do a left shuffle forward, left together, left. But the regular shuffle back is the way that I choreographed it, but that is a step to make it a little bit harder. Section 3, we ended with our weight on our left foot. We're going to do 2 cross points and then a jazz box cross. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly cross your left. Point your left toe to the left side. You're going to step your left foot forward and slightly across your right. Point your right toe to the right side. We're now going to do a jazz box cross that's going to stay at this wall. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step your left foot back, right foot to the side, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that part with some counts. You're facing 3 o'clock. Weight is on your left foot. We're doing our cross points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 4, in our final section of the dance, we're going to point our right toe to the right side and you're going to hold. You're now going to quickly step your right foot next to your left and point your left toe to the left side and hold. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right and you're going to put your right heel forward. You're going to quickly step your right next to your left and put your left heel forward. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. We're going to step forward with our right and you're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock to end the dance. Now, for ease of transition into the next section, it will be easier if you make that half pivot over, rotate slightly. So instead of being right at the wall or short, you want to kind of have your hips more towards the left so you can easily cross that right over your left. So let's try that part with some counts. We just did our jazz box cross. Weights on that left foot. You're pointing your right toe to the side. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Ready to start the dance all over again. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face this front wall. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps and counts. I'm going to do it the main way it was choreographed. So the shuffle back, shuffle forward. Weight is on that left foot. We're starting with our weave over our left, cross, over, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point, cross, quarter back, shuffle back, rock back, recover, shuffle forward, cross, point, step, point, jazz box, cross, back, side, cross, point, hold, step, point, hold, step, heel, half pivot. Weights on your left foot. You're facing 9 o'clock. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're ready to cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. And you're ready to start all over again. So now we're going to go all the way around. On the front and back wall, I'm going to do steps. Side walls will have counts. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance, and the dance naturally ends facing the front wall anyways, so you don't have to worry about an ending. Weight is on your left foot. We're going to start with our weave. It's cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point, cross, quarter back, right, shuffle, back, left, rock, recover, left, shuffle, forward, step, point, jazz box with a cross. Now your points and holds. Point, hold, switch, point, hold, switch, heel, switch, step, half, pivot, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, cross over, cross, side, behind, point, cross, side, behind, point, cross, quarter back, right, shuffle back, left, rock, recover, left, shuffle, forward, cross, point, and jazz box with a cross, point and hold, right, hold, switch, left, hold, right heel, left heel, step, half pivot, cross. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, hold 2 and 3, hold 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Face the front wall, keep on going all the way around. So your last wall is going to be the side wall when we go around. So when we finish and we're doing our point holds and heels to the back, you're just going to do that half pivot to the front, and you have like an extra count, so if you wanted to just step forward and be there, or you can just step that half pivot and end facing the front. That's how the dance ends naturally anyways. I hope this helps you learn blue jean dust. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.